Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the text of the chapter number 1, Resources and Development. Now we are going to discuss this picture. This is very important picture. As you can see in the picture, देखो आप बहुत सारा कुछ इसको देख के समझ सकते हो. This is the community and one bridge is being constructed for community. ठीक है, one bridge is going to be constructed for the community. But here we have various people, contractors, bureaucrats, etc. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट. अब ये देखो, ये कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं, ये बहुत सारे लोग हैं. व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. कोई यहाँ से काट रहा है इसको, कोई यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन चली हुई है. हेयर गॉश स्टिल कन्फ्यूज्ड. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट क्या चीज़ की कमी है यहाँ पे? प्रॉपर प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट. सो विदाउट प्रॉपर प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट, community cannot get the benefit of any resource. So this is very important picture, as you can see. Now we will do multiple choice questions. Which one of the following types of resource is iron ore? So the answer is non-renewable. Then under which of the following, that is iron ore, ठीक है, आयरन ओर वर्ड यूज़ किया है, आयरन नहीं बोला है, ठीक है. देन अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्सेज कैन टाइडल एनर्जी बी पुट? सो दैट इज replenishable. Then which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? So that is over irrigation. Then in which of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? So terrace cultivation कहाँ होगी? पंजाब में तो नहीं होगी, हरियाणा में भी नहीं होगी, एंड इवन प्लेन्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश में भी नहीं होगी. उत्तराखंड, दैट इज़ अ माउंटेनियस स्टेट, तो इन उत्तराखंड. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स इज ब्लैक सॉइल फाउंड? सो ब्लैक सॉइल इज़ फाउंड इन गुजरात. नॉट जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, वहाँ तो माउंटेन हैं. नॉट झारखंड, नॉट राजस्थान. सो नाउ वी हैव another questions. Answer the following questions in about 30 words. I am going to give you the guidelines of these questions. Then you can write the answers by your own. Name 3 states having black soil and the crop which is mainly grown in it. So states are plateaus of Maharashtra. We cannot say that complete Maharashtra. Plateaus of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And this soil is best for growing cotton. We all know that. Then what type of soil is found in the river deltas of the eastern coast? Give 3 main features of this type of soil. If you remember, alluvial soil. alluvial soil मिलती है ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में. So alluvial soil is found in the deltas of river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri on eastern coastal plains. The main features of the alluvial soil are, we know that it contains different proportion of sand, silt and clay. It is very fertile. It contains right proportion of potash, lime and phosphoric acid. In drier regions, it is alkaline and requires proper treatment and irrigation. It is ideal for growing sugarcane, wheat and paddy. So these are the features of alluvial soil. Then we have the next question. Which steps can be taken to control soil erosion in the hilly areas? So which steps can be taken, we will discuss here. Contour plowing. Contour plowing can be taken. We have studied contour plowing to reduce the flow of water down the slopes and checks sheet erosion. Then steps can be cut on the slopes making terraces. Terraces can restrict soil erosion. Strips of crops are left to grow between the crops. It breaks up the force of wind. Planting trees in a row, called shelter belts, also reduces the force of the wind. Then we have What are the biotic and abiotic resources? Give some examples. So we have biotic and abiotic. All living resources such as flora, fauna, livestock and fisheries that we get from the biosphere are called biotic resources. Abiotic. All non-living things like minerals, metals and rocks are abiotic resources. Next question we have, answer the following questions in about 120 words. These are long answer type questions. So students, explain land use pattern in India. Why has the land under forest not increased much since 1960 to 61? So we have studied in the chapter also, when we have studied about land use pattern, that in India it is primarily divided into number 1 agricultural land, number 2 forest land, pastures and grazing grounds, and then wasteland. So agricultural land जहाँ पे हम कल्टीवेशन करते हैं, फॉरेस्ट लैंड जहाँ नेचुरली ट्रीज ग्रो हुए हुए हैं, देन पेस्चर्स एंड ग्रेजिंग ग्राउंड्स जो ग्रेजिंग के लिए हैं, देन वेस्ट लैंड जो क्या है, रॉकी है, एरिड है, डेजर्ट एरिया है, एंड दे आर नॉन एग्रीकल्चर and they are being used in housing, roads and industry construction. So the land under forest has not increased much since 1960-61 because of the following reasons. So क्या reasons रहे होंगे कि forest area बिल्कुल भी increase नहीं हुआ? Indiscriminate cutting and felling of trees to make way for agriculture to feed our teeming population. So क्या है कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफॉरेस्टेशन हुई थी, बिकॉज अपनी पॉपुलेशन के लिए हमें रहने की भी जगह चाहिए थी, कल्टीवेशन के लिए ज़मीन भी चाहिए थी. देन इंटेंसिव अर्बनाइजेशन एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ऑल्सो. देन लार्ज स्केल मल्टीपर्पज़ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैव सबमर्ज्ड फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्रीज. मल्टीपर्पज़ रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट, वो डैम वाले जो होते हैं, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ हैव टेक्निकल एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट लेड टू मोर कंजम्पशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. सो जैसे जैसे टेक्निकल और क्या होगी, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट होगी, ऑब्वियसली रिसोर्सेज तो लगेंगे ही, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिसोर्सेज ओनली वी कैन डू डेवलपमेंट. सो टेक्निकल डेवलपमेंट एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नीड मोर रिसोर्सेज फॉर गुड्स टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड क्विकली एंड ईजीली. सो रिसोर्सेज आर ऑलवेज रिक्वायर्ड. टुडे वी कैन सी एन array of goods made with the latest technology. With the development of technology, goods become obsolete very fast. Latest good needs more resources. So green revolution भी कैसे possible हुआ? जब हमारे पास resources आए. So these are your question, and this you can do if you are interested in it. You can do it as good for your time pass. You can do it. So these are some questions I have written over here. When I used to teach in class, I have written these questions here. So question number 1, these are extra questions. For what purpose are land resources used? Then distinguish between Khadar and Bangar. These are 3-mark question. Name the states in which laterite soils are found and give any 2 characteristic of this soil. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपके लिए. आपसे पूछेंगे कि ये वाली सॉइल किस स्टेट में मिलती है, और उसके बाद दे कैन आस्क यू अबाउट 2 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑल्सो. Why do we need to conserve resources? Very important question. How we can conserve resources? Conservation किसी भी चीज़ की, एक तो sustainable development, दूसरा किसी भी चीज़ की conservation is very very important. Causes of land degradation. What are the causes of land degradation and what are the various ways to solve this problem? ये 5 mark का question आपके पास आ सकता है और 3 का भी आ सकता है. Explain various methods of soil conservation. 5 marks. Planning is widely accepted strategy for judicious use of resources in a country like India. Justify this statement with the relevant points and an example. Very important question, बहुत ही ज़्यादा important for 5 marks. Then why do we need to conserve resources? So students, your chapter number 1 from your geography portion has been completed. Very important chapter for 1 mark, for 3 mark, for 5 mark. Very important. And जो भी इसका मैथ वर्क होगा आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए वो आपको करवा देंगे. मे बी आपके स्कूल्स ओपन हो जाएं तो मैथ वर्क तभी हम करेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं ओपन होंगे तो आपके मैथ वर्क आपको ऐसे ही करवा दिया जाएगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रिवाइज द चैप्टर थॉरली. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे.